Here's how even power couples with dream lives end up acting more like business partners than lovers, and how to flip that back. You know what I mean. You're successful, you're accomplished, you're admired, but when it comes to passion, intimacy, and play, things feel flat. Instead of being lovers, you become schedulers and logistic partners. Instead of passion, you've gotten comfortable. Vacations can give you a temporary lift, but that spark fades when you get home. And therapy tends to take months and sometimes years to create small amounts of progress because they're so spaced out in between. More surface level fixes like date nights, trips, books, they just don't stick, right? Because they haven't changed the core wound or foundation. The truth is, when the foundation of the intimacy cracks, everything else in life feels a little less alive. That's why the smartest couples don't wait. They find a way to condense years of progress into days. Now, picture this. You and your partner step off a plane into a warm, fragrant air of Hawaii sunshine, and from the moment you arrive, the distractions of daily life are gone. They vanish because we have planned everything for you. The island itself is designed to open you back up. The ocean air, the mountains in the background, the cultural heartbeat of aloha that softens your nervous system and reconnects you to what really matters, which is people and love. Each day that you are here with us is carefully curated with therapeutic intensives each morning, which can be deeply personalized to exactly what you need. We deep dive into resentment repair, betrayal healing, communication resets, libido alignment, adventurous play, intimacy mapping. Afternoons will flow into immersive intimacy excursions, and some of our most favored ones from clients are sound healing, guided breath work, snorkeling with Honu, hiking waterfalls. It's not just talking about intimacy like you might at some weekend workshops in the US. It's truly living and practicing and embodying it in real time with a guided expert along the entire process. By the end of the 5 days together, most couples spend a year or more chasing in therapy what you will embody and implement in 5 days. You'll leave not just with great memories, but with an entirely personalized roadmap and lifetime access to our romance program to keep your intimacy growing and long-lasting once you return home. Now, here's what I can say without hesitation is that this retreat is unlike anything else you will find in the US, and I know because I built it after not finding exactly what I wanted for my clients, right? I built what I couldn't find in the US because I know that the need was there. I'm not just a coach with certifications and wellness guides. I am a 7-time global award-winning clinical sexologist with advanced degrees, PhD, in healing trauma, pelvic floor health, functional medicine for mental and sexual wellness, relationship energetics. I am a licensed marriage and family therapist. Clients often say that working with me feels like the equivalent of working with 7 different providers, but in one system. Because I don't just treat one piece of the puzzle, I treat the entire system. The mind, the body, sexuality, energetics. That's why I've been published and featured in some of the most top magazines like Harper's Bazaar, Billboard Fashion, New York Times, and recognized internationally for my frameworks and theories on intimacy and relationship flow in energy. That's why couples will fly in from around the world to work with me, because they know that they're not just booking another retreat, they're stepping into a highly structured, evidence-based luxury experience with one of the best therapists, holistic healers, and providers in the most magical place, Hawaii. Each retreat is entirely exclusive, meaning one-on-one. It's just you and me working through this during the whole time that you're here with me. That's how I ensure privacy and personalization and results that last. We are not in a 20-person group where we can't personalize or you can't ask questions. The whole time you're here is all about you. So if you're tired of trying to piece intimacy back together slowly, and if you are ready for fast, rapid breakthroughs in the most healing environment on earth, here's your chance. Click below to apply, because passion isn't optional. It's the fuel that makes everything else in life thrive. And there's no better time, no better place, no better guide to help you bring it back. Click the button below and I'll see you soon.